Alright guys, so right here in the basement actually, not in the shop today. Good news, got the car running back there in the basement, or in the lower shop I mean. Got it run yesterday, video to come of that. Pretty happy with that situation. But today, doing a little project, a buddy of mine owns a big truck. He needs this bracket welded. So this is a welding video, so welcome back to the welding series, right? I am not a professional welder, nor do I say I'm a professional welder. Nor do I care to be a professional welder, right? I got welders because I need them. That's kind of how it works. If you look at getting a welder, you're probably because you need a welder. It's expensive to get stuff welded, but we're gonna be doing this. This is stainless. It's not chrome, even though it's rusting inside. It's probably a lower grade of stainless. You welder people would probably know what that is. We're gonna be TIG welding it with the Alpha 200X. I got a stainless rod. Here's the rod. I don't know how it's gonna go today, but this is let's see here. Yeah, ER. Come on, camera. Likes to focus on everything but what I want to talk about. Yeah, ER 308. ER 308/308L. What I understand, this has more alloy in it for cleaning. I don't know if that's true or not. I think that's what the L means. 1/16 gauge. So, turn this bad boy on. Switches in the back. Gas is on. Yeah, let's see. We're flowing about 15 on that thing. Not for sure why I welded last time with this. Let's see, we're on a foot pedal, DC. Yep, DC 2T because I'm using the pedal. Straight weld, I don't need no pulse. Start amp's 10. Yeah, we'll try that. Maybe 30 on the main. All that stuff, I don't know. It works. You gotta kind of, you know, we don't need pulse. We don't need none of that stuff. AC, we're not doing all that, so pretty straightforward. I'm gonna clean this up with a wire brush. Get all that junk off of there. And I'll see you in a bit. Weld didn't fail, it just where it heat cycled it failed. You probably say the same thing I'm about to say. Fits up pretty good. That's probably what he did, right?
Yeah.
This thing will focus today or not. I don't know what setting I got it on, but it ain't. There we go. Yeah. We'll be able to get. There, huh? See if it'll work. Oh yeah. Feeler maybe. Left his fan. Not the prettiest, but...
Well, I don't care about pretty.
So you're not too worried about that.
Yeah, I just want to wear it, but you gotta get it.
Worse than this damn thing is getting everything set up because I'm not a welder. But my table is not made for welding. Ooh. I think that'll work for you. Well, there's the finished result. It really ain't the best looking, but this metal is not the best either. And there was already a weld there, that's why it cracked. So There we go. Already welded there, kind of welded back over, cleaned it up a little bit. Not the prettiest, but it'll work. At least for another, what do you got, Dustin? 100,000 miles, I think, since last time it was welded?
Yeah.
Yeah, something like that. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.